Hey everyone, welcome to Craft Drawer. Here's something really cozy, creative, and perfect for intermediate knitters. Say hello to the patchwork jacket. Perfect to wear any time of the year. This beautiful knit jacket is made using bulky weight yarn, which means it works up faster and feels super warm and snuggly, just what we love, right? Follow along with us and download the jacket pattern for free through the link below or order the kit that includes the yarn to make this beautiful patchwork jacket. The patchwork jacket combines bold texture and color in a classic patchwork design, and it's crafted with Jiffy Bonus Bundle yarn. So you get that soft, plush feel with amazing stitch definition. This pattern is ideal for knitters with an intermediate skill level, level 3, and it's a great way to challenge yourself while still keeping things fun and rewarding. You can download the knitting pattern absolutely free. Just check out the link in the description below. Also, learn more about the yarn used for this project. Yarn used is Jiffy Bonus Bundle yarn in colors pale blue-green, clay dusty terracotta, forest pine green, and warm dark beige. Of course, you can use any colors you want to make the vibrant, cozy jacket. Or, if you want everything ready to go, there's a knitting kit available too. It includes all the yarn you need and the printed pattern, so you can get started right away without the guesswork. Whether you're knitting this jacket for yourself or as a handmade gift, the patchwork jacket is a showstopper. Just imagine how amazing this will look layered over your favorite outfits. Dimensions detail. Finished bust about 42 inches. 106.5 centimeters. Finished length about 21 inches. 53.5 centimeters. Be sure to check out more patterns available to download. Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up if you're excited to start knitting this or any project, and hit that subscribe button for more free patterns, yarn reviews, and crafty inspiration. Let me know in the comments what color palette you'd love to make this jacket in. I can't wait to see your creations.